My name is Henry Goh. I'm an alumni of Global EMBA program at the CityUHK of Hong Kong. Currently, I serve as Honorary Chairman and as a founding member of Flexport Asia. In 2022, I'm so honored to be recognized by Forbes China as Global Top 100 Outstanding Chinese. Now, rethinking back, my journey has been a truly transformative experience. This whole journey changed how I approach in the next 2 years. During my time when studying the EMBA program, I gained invaluable insight into business trends and real-world cases. I learned how to apply concepts practically, bridging theory with practice and connecting Eastern and Western perspectives. Our top-notch professors brought a wealth of experience, and I was truly excited to soak up the diverse experiences and insights from my classmates. Before wrapping up our second year of study, our class has an exciting residential trip where we consulted on the rebuilding of Beijing International Airport, mainly focusing on services and marketing strategies. We begin by meeting with senior executives to identify service gaps involving massive and extensive data collections and analysis. Despite super tight deadlines, we craft our recommendations and prepare for our presentation in just a few days. The project was extremely challenging with a lot of late-night discussions and heated debates, but we managed to prepare everything in time. This experience showed how we could apply our academic knowledge alongside with our own expertise. For me, it is even more exciting to see some of the recommendations are still in use when I visit the airport every time. Choosing to pursue the EMBA program was definitely a game changer for my personal and professional development. At that point, I have to decide, should I join a startup company like Flexport, the technology-driven stakeholder, or stick to my comfort zone? In the end, I choose to jump out of my comfort zone. I have no regrets. Now, I'm proud to say Flexport has become one of the most disruptive companies in the world, transforming logistics and supply chain management with our innovative platform.